Hi, this is my incredibly late demo of DeepStack. So what is DeepStack? It's actually really simple. In a previous hackathon, I spoke with the CEO of Emojis.com, which is this company that basically just does emojis. And he told me that one of the things he does is he does a deep research on ChatGPT that goes off every morning and tells him about the latest news about Gen AI and image generation, which is of course his business. At my current startup, there are a lot of eureka moments where we think we found something that's very new and that can really change things, but actually somebody else said it 6 months ago. And part of the reason why is because nobody has any time to read the news. So what DeepStack is just a relatively simple tool that you can insert into any Slack workspace, and it's going to give you reports made with ChatGPT deep research in the future, because their API was rate limiting me right now with Perplexity. But basically, you can just give it a system prompt. So for example, if I was, let's say I'm with some biases, right? So I want the latest news regarding, I guess, LLM evaluations, what will be like Gen AI reliability, right? So you give it a system prompt, which is what it's going to use every day to get these reports for you. Then you're going to give it a tron, so like a little schedule when it's going to get these. So we're just going to trigger something for like right now. So it's going to be for like for and so it's just going to go ahead and confirm that. We're going to click yes. Great, and I'll come back here once the report is done. But for the moment, I just want to show what's happening in the background. So essentially the way it works is that we have a database deployed on Firebase that's going to keep a track of the user prompts, the user IDs, and the user schedules. We're going to check when those schedules are due, and when they are, we're going to make a call to a Perplexity API with the prompt at that time that we're going to be sending back through Slack. So it's just done through this bot using Firebase, and there's a Google function that's going to be triggering that in the background, which is the one that I'm showing here. So let me see if I can show you that. So right now it's 14:57. So it should be going through pretty shortly. So here, as you can see, it began an attempt with the Google function. Now that it detected that the time is due, that one of the schedules is due. And essentially, it's just waiting for Perplexity to go ahead and finish doing its research to relay that onto Slack. Great, and as you can see, the attempt has finished here in the Google Cloud Console, and we can check out that it did send a message here in the Slack channel. So I guess with some biases, we'd be very happy to have this. Essentially, that's all that it does. The next steps is just putting it on the Slack marketplace, so it's very easy for any organization to use it to get reports about whatever it is that they're in, daily, bi-weekly, up to 10. And putting it on a website where people can just go find out about it and then go to the Slack marketplace and get it. Also, like fix some of these formatting issues and migrate it to ChatGPT 3.0.
Any documentation?
Yeah, that's kind of it.
How do we
Thank you.
transform it into an MCP?